What's up guys, Out Moto here. I'm gonna give you a little look into this phone mount that I use. Cheap, inexpensive. I'm pretty sure it's under $20. So yeah guys, really at 35 mile an hour, 40 mile an hour, it doesn't really, I guess shakes a little bit of course, but it doesn't move like it's supposed to, or like you think it would, being what it is. For it to be under $20, you'd think it'd be crap, you know, but I've had it for about 2 months now, and knock on wood, I might need to find some wood first, but knock on wood, my phone hasn't gone tumbling across the road, you know. So I will hop on the highway and give you a good 60 mile an hour view of it at highway speeds. Hey, I will go find a kind of bumpy road. I mean, every road in Johnstown is bumpy. If you don't know where I am, roads are go ahead and hit his little boom right there. Yeah, so she's definitely moves, but again, I haven't had no problem with it falling yet. And again, under $20, you can't beat that. What's the RAM mount? $50. So I could literally buy 3 of these in the price that I spend on a freaking thing, so I'll go with it. Link in the description below if y'all want it. I mean, alright guys, so we'll hit the highway, do highway speeds. For the most part, looks pretty darn good to me.